God's blessings on our little family. We want you to grow with us. Chilling with our meals.
Morning guys, so it's very early in the morning and we are on our way to go fishing. You excited?
Go fishing, can't play go fishing. You know the game, go fishing.
Yes I do.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go. I say go fishing. I was go fishing. I play.
I mean, we're going literal fishing. Anyways, I always want to be that guy, though.
Well, sometimes I have to be that guy.
Alright then,
You
sir.
wanna be that guy?
Alright then, sir. So, we're on our way to our friend's house because they're the ones who are literally like taking us fishing to teach us the ropes and all.
As the Bible says, teach a man to fish.
Yep, that's what the Bible says. Which one
I
first?
think it was the Bible says that teach a man to fish. So that at the end of the day, we'll go again. At the end of the day, he won't forget it. He can fish for himself. Something like that.
I know there's a saying that says teach a man to fish
something like that, yeah.
and he won't be hungry.
Yeah,
but if you give the man the fish, he's always hungry and come back to you. So we're learning to fish. And I'm ready for it. I've always wanted to do it, so I'm ready for it. See man there, the man of the hour. Ricky, say hi.
Ninja Turtle, Ninja.
Mr. Freight. Say hi, Daniel. So we're learning to fish, guys. I got my hooks.
That's what I'm kind of stuff.
I don't know Omar gone. Oh, see him there? Uncle Barry, say hi.
Smile for candid camera.
Hey, early morning, man, them passionate about them fit. Walk on. Omar.
Yes.
Say good morning.
Good morning. Yeah.
We'll go find Minister Evans now. Evans.
Morning.
Good morning. We're here catching fish.
Yeah, man, right now we are.
You see, him tell me some look like something, but the fish them got attracted. So. Tell me now. Anyways, see this something that I see?
Piper.
Yeah. Two of them there.
Piper.
This kind of look this kind of seem very interesting.
But
let's see how it goes, guys. Am I excited?
To catch fish?
Yeah.
We'll see when I catch a fish then. Maybe
Alright then.
Hey guys, some money there. I cut up bait to catch fish. She had Daniel. Yeah, I cut up bait. There's them one with fishers of men.
Fishers of women.
Of women.
We go fish man, you don't have a problem.
You go fish. Okay, fishers of women. Alright. My bad correction. So you feeling cutting up the bait?
Feel like me a cook, a woman. Exactly. Like a woman when we duty.
Yeah, their duties. And the man there to catch the fish. Yeah, so launch out. It's a launch out into the deep, right? Make the fake take you somewhere. Or make the line take you somewhere it never been before.
Yeah, this is where you have to open the gate. This is open the gate. Right there, open the gate.
Oh, so the gate open.
Then now you're going to put the string between this finger right here.
So?
Right.
And close what?
No. When it go out, you close it back. Right. Hold on. Wait a minute. Alright, so. What is it? show off you, man.
Which one you use, Ricky?
She show off you, man, eh?
Which one you use?
Right hand.
What a way.
So
which one that you hold the rod?
My right hand is, man.
Okay, so we are going to do the left hand now.
Well, it's short, you know, so I can't do my left hand go and stay.
Yes, your right hand you use.
Eh?
Don't let me see I use the next one.
Hold it now. Alright, so you can hold it like this now. And just swing. No matter swing too far, okay? Just swing.
Overhead. Tell her
Overhead,
overhead.
overhead.
Hey, overhead. I don't mean to swing for me, you know. Overhead.
Overhead,
Ricky.
Overhead, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go now.
Oh, that's it. Monique first catch.
Her bait.
Her bait. So. So you feel catching her first
It was
bait?
an accident because it wasn't deliberate, but me feel good to catch you, brother.
Alright.
Probably in a crossfire. I think some reason we end up now at Port Royal. So you know them fishermen who can focus.
Say hi to the camera on Ninja Turtle.
Oh, what one? Oh, one peeps. You don't know, you know. I have to string it up, you know.
If you not string it up, what happen?
You're not going to catch nothing.
That's why they catch down here.
No, I string her up still, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so this is the beautiful parish of a parish? City of Port Royal. A town. Yeah, anything. I come from town, some in no country. Yeah. Like the famous Glorias. If I like nice fish, I guess I can go there to eat. Yeah. A regular day for fishing for them people. There's much people out here, man. Wow.
And the man tell about come here and just falling over come here.
Meet the freighters.
Fisherman for life.
Oh, jeez, no. Definitely. So nice though. Sun out, but it nice. Right now we're out here. The fish them look like so them catch a bait and know so people out here a fish and not take nothing. Look there. See them there? Yeah. See them there? Robert, say hi.
Hi too. Who is that?
See them? See them?
What that?
My vlog.
Oh, hi.
Say hi to the people.
How are you peeps?
Right here, right here.
Can I get some now?
See, so there's a lot of persons out here, like a lot. And we are fishing. Sun hot. Jesus. Sun hot. So we take shelter.
Yeah.
Make the man them do them thing, you know. We stand up and watch cause nothing not going for it. Yeah, you know. Hey. Fish are friends, not food, but today we're gonna eat the fish then. If we ever catch none. You see the Rasta man there? The man here, the pansiers, the man fling out a wire. Boom, come in, knocking a head, dead. The man they must have around a dozen fish pan in boat already. And the man just go out there. Watch it. See there? You see that? Me catch it on video. Watch it. See? See?
I will the fish under the man. You know what do that?
Shaman.
You catch them there again.
So after we slung out here all long, my youth go out there so go catch a big fish and they must struggle with the poor fish. Watch it. What? Me forgot there just like I'm got there. Alright, so fishing really take patience. Like so far it's now 11 o'clock. Yeah, 1 minute to 11. Me catch one little tiny fish out on the waterfront. And Ricky catch one little jack. Do you feel accomplished? No, so we make the man them stand up on the door them need for do, see? Watch out. And for everybody I wonder, Omar there, Omar had to run an errand, so he's not here right now. So left the man them to do them I do. Man up.
So the errand name fish avoidance.
What?
Fish avoidance.
Fish avoid. Omar here the errand name fish avoidance.
Oh, I want as a
Wow. What? Something up on the sea?
free willing are coming up.
Yeah, so
So every time we go so.
a whole lot of patience this. A lot of patience. Alright, so we move from Port Royal and find another spot. And Mr. Mills finally show up. See me so I try a thing, see me? So as usual, the man them dip on the job. And we just sit down and look. Cause we're tired and sun hot. Watch it, say sit, watch it. Fishing ain't no joke, man. Ain't no joke, but out here is very scenic. I don't know, show me the airport the right over there. Let me see if I can catch it. Airport the right over there, so. And this is the scene. As usual, because today holiday, all the people they out. So yeah. Look at hubby. Yes, after today the fish and beat you up bad though. Yeah, so the man at the hour, yeah, man catch 3 fish.
Oh man, let me tell you.
3 fish. A 4 him catch?
The man
catch one.
So the man you
Catch
one,
one,
me catch one, Robert one,
I'll not catch none.
and Ricky 4. MVP.
Bam!
I feel if you catch 1 fish. You feel good? I feel if you catch no fish. No fish.
It's a life lesson. Catch fish today, catch it tomorrow.